In this video, I will be showing you how to sell your digital products on Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that allows us to sell digital products or physical products for completely free. With Gumroad, if I were to select their pricing plan, as you can see right here, you will be able to list and sell your products for completely free. All they'll do is take a 10% fee whenever you complete a transaction, as you can see right here. To get started, once on gumroad.com, you're going to tap on login or sign up. That's typically in the top right hand corner right there. Once you're finished signing up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do, you can select products from the left hand menu option, or you can tap create your first product right there. After you have selected create your first product, you're going to add your product name. So for example, let's say I want to name this product a test product right here. After you have done that, you can see digital product. So you can create digital products on Gumroad, courses or tutorials, ebooks. You can also sell physical products. You can also sell membership, as you can see right there. So we're going to select digital product. Then you're going to set your price. Let's say, for example, we'll be selling our item for $10. After you have set your price, all you'll need to do is tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, from here you'll be able to upload a cover image, and you'll also get a free URL, as you can see right there. So all you need to do, we can tap on upload images or video right there, then tap on computer, and I'm just going to be uploading a random thumbnail as my cover image. So let's say I wanted to use this one. After you're finished doing that, all you need to do now, you can scroll down, you can change the call to action. So you can see right here, the call to action at the moment is I want this. So you can change to buy this. You can also add a quick summary right here. And if it is a case that you would like to add additional details, you can do that right there. So after doing this, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll back up. So we'll scroll back up, and then we're going to tap on content from the top navigation bar. After you have tapped on content, this is where you'll be able to add, for example, the information. So let's say, for example, you would like to add information from your device. All you need to do right here, you could tap on the insert image. You could insert an image. If it is a case that you like to sell something with a zip file or so on, you could do that by tapping right here. And from there, you'll be able to import computer files, or you can import from Dropbox, or you can embed a video. You can select whichever one of those options suits you. You can also tap on the last icon right here to create an additional page. So for example, if it is a course you are creating, you could tap right there and you can add more pages. By tapping on the three dots right here, you'll be able to see a list of posts. And again, this would be related if you're creating an online course. But if it is a case that you simply want to upload a file, you could tap here and you'll be able to insert your file. Once you're finished, so I'll simply type in something right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish and continue in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish and continue, you can see right here you could choose your category. After choosing your category, if I were to tap on copy URL and then paste in the URL right here, you'll see how the product page looks. So this is how it looks at the moment. So you can see the cover image, and you can see the action button right there, and you can also see the price. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll go over to the left hand menu option. You can tap on checkout, and from there you'll be able to set up discounts if you want. You can also create a checkout form, so you can edit your checkout page right here. You can also add upsells if you want by tapping on new upsell. And to set up how you'll receive your payments, you're going to tap right where you see payouts from the left hand menu option. After tapping on payouts, you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on settings, all you'll need to do is select your country of residency, and you can select whether you have a valid government ID or not. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save, and from there you'll be able to set up payments via Stripe or PayPal using Gumroad. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.